Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Wells Fargo and Company, ticker symbol WFC. Now, if you are interested in those stocks which can give you decent return or more than average return over a period of time, and it will help you to compound growth, then this is one of those stocks which you're gonna look at, listed in index and all the good things or an investor requires from a company to have or from a stock to have, and this is one of those things. So let us see why we are looking at this particular stock, what are the important things, and probably we can pick up some generalized questions from the Google and try to answer them as well. So before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all notification button to get the updated notification of my videos. Now, what we have here, okay, first of all, what we have here, because I don't want to go into numbers, they are all good. Now, basically, can I buy Wells Fargo stock? Yes, you can buy. And what is the highest Wells Fargo stock price? That we are going to answer. Now, can I buy Wells Fargo stock? This question I want to answer it in a different way with the help of chart. Or it's like you are asking that can I buy Wells Fargo stock? So the question is obviously yes, because it's a listed company. It's not a private stock, but you know what to look at in that stock if you are buying Wells Fargo. So in that way I'm going to answer the question. Apart from that, what kind of company is Wells Fargo? So as you can see, the answer is quite clear that it is an American multinational financial services company with corporate headquarters in San Francisco. Apart from that, it's a big company and it is diversified, and their business are available across the globe, so you need not to worry about it. So there are some questions basically depend upon the person who are asking about can I buy or what is the highest, so we will answer that. And this forecasting thing, Wells Fargo stock forecast 2025 or Wells Fargo stock forecast. So this is the chart is nothing but the forecast. We are definitely going to do that, but prior to that, if you have any specific thing, we have seen some short interest ratio that has been building up in this particular stock. And what I was talking about is how the stock has been a steady performer. So if you are holding this stock for last 1 year, you have earned more than 70%. So this is a very good return that you can expect with a company of market cap more than $210 billion, right? So this is what we have here. And the recent research report was an upgrade by Barclays, and they have raised their target price from $50 to $62. So let us see whether 60 or 62 is a good price, or we can see more than that. Apart from here, so all option exercise, there is nothing buying or selling. And there is a recent news. Now the yield in spike, if the yield is going to go higher, banks are the one who is going to make the most out of it, because they have all the instruments, because yield is something which bank or which financial institutions are working on. And if they are going higher, so all the banks are going to join this move, and all the banks are going to get benefited out of it. This is the simple way to understand things. Okay, yield going up is not a bad thing, but beyond a certain point, obviously it is. And just to give how the banks are functioning, because they are lending money and they are borrowing money, and there is a certain percentage attached to that. The percent that they are paying for lending money, or the percent that they are paying for borrowing money, and the difference, if the difference is positive, obviously that's the profit the bank is earning. So this is a very important thing. So let's go and check, and let us answer the question, what is the highest price? So the highest price it has made, as you can see over here. So if you are looking at the chart, so the highest price was nearly in 2018, and it was $66. I suppose yeah, $66, 66.1 to be precise, is the highest price that you're gonna look at. But if you're looking at the overall chart, what you can see is a big question, because if you're looking at the overall chart, 66 or $67 is going to be the next resistance. That's it, because the stock has been moving in between a range for quite a while, and this is a range in between which it is currently trading as of now. So what you are going to look at is $45 as your important support, or I would say stop loss, and $67 is going to be your next target or big resistance. Now beyond $67, if the stock started sustaining and moving, now this forecast thing, the question about people also searching about the forecast. Now if you're looking at the forecasting thing, and if I draw a trend line like this, you can see the stock is anyhow synced, okay, and this is how things looks like. Yeah, so this is a perfect trend line. So you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this we can call as our trend line, and with the help of this line, considering this one as a baseline, if I trying to draw a trend out of it, so this is what we can see, right? This is what we can see. And beyond $67, if the stock started sustaining and moving higher, the bigger target that we're going to look at in the upcoming months and years to come is in between $160 and $250. So there are some very big targets which we're going to look at, or which is yet to be seen. So this is what we have as far as the big trend forecast, or is it a good buy. So all these questions have been answered. Now it is the individual thought process, how he or she thinks, or what he or she finds about it, and this is what it is. So if you like this video, hit on the like button. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.